Hey folks, what I'm going to show you now is how to make a couple of things and also to do an edit, a custom edit in the actual app of the resources. What I'm going to be showing you is how to make these custom volume spinners, as well as how to make your own custom checkboxes. And let's start with the checkboxes first. And there are a couple that we're going to be using. This one here is the common B checkbox rest. And basically all I do here is, the first thing I do is I want to resize it just slightly. So I'm going to make it into 80 pixels. Then what I want to do is get a measurement roughly just a little bit bigger. So that's 60. So we're going to make a box. We're going to make it around 64. And let's put that in the center. And we're going to make a smaller box. Let's make that 50. And we're going to put that in the center as well. Now, depending on your background, normally what I like to do with the second box that I made is match it to my background. And in this particular case, I'm using a lighter color. It's not quite white, but it's almost. And with the outer box, I can do whatever I want. I can put some layering on it, a bit of a bevel. Let's go 90. Let's bring down a bit of the light. Okay. Now, I want to save that as it is. Now, what I want to do with the actual check is I want to make a new image with the check mark on it. So we're going to put that on top and just Control T just to get some control over it. Move it in the middle somewhere and have that fill the box. And you go ahead and you can save that. And I'll show you where. This one right here, the common checkbox on. And that's the common checkbox rest we just did. You can go ahead and save that one as well. And you can also replace the check with the X, which is the delete, and that's it. Okay. Now the second thing I want to show you is the volume button that you see here. Now basically the volume button can be anything you want, but keep it around, about 54, 56 pixels. That's going to be the max. Anything bigger than that, it's going to kind of offset and distort a little bit. I make mine around 54 pixels and it looks pretty good. Now where that goes is in the resources, and you'll find that in the drawable, and we have to go all the way down to the HTC thumb, and this is the one from the Prism. They're identical. What we want to do is change this XML from shape into a selector. So basically you're going to remove all of this here, remove the shape in oval, and you're going to replace it with item Android : drawable equals quotation at drawable volume button, and then you're going to close it, and that's it. And you're done that. You build the resources and you push, and you'll end up with something like this. Okay, stick around and I'll have something else for you.